Savu Savu. It's about 2:30 in the afternoon. We had a pretty lazy day the last day motoring in here. We had the wind die out yesterday afternoon, so we've been motoring the last 24 hours, so not really a lot to update. But we managed to get the drone up in some light airs today, so I'll put some video of that. But yeah, we've arrived safely in Savu Savu, and we're going to pull in here. We're going to go and check out, there's a new marina here, so we're going to go and check that out for a week. And yeah, it's meant to be a cyclone hole, so we'd like to check it out. We might spend a cyclone season out here one year, and have a look around this beautiful, beautiful place. Anyway, that's a little update from us. Keep it short and sweet. All the best to everyone. And if you haven't checked out Fiji, check it out, because this place is awesome. Really, really cool place. A little morning view of Savu Savu. This is where you come in to the harbour, or the little bay, or the creek. And you got the town. It used to just be full of moorings, this. You got the copper shed over there, which used to be like the main yachty gathering place. It's really nice. Then you've got where we are here in Nawi Marina, which is a new marina. Little spirit down there. But yeah, they've built this fantastic marina now, and supposedly cyclone proof, but I'm not sure that it would be in a major cyclone. But I'd say you'd be pretty safe in most. But yeah, it's a really, it's always been considered a bit of a cyclone hole here. It's very well protected. And a really beautiful, thriving little town. They're building a new market across the way there. The big building is the market. See the big building, the new building there. But yeah, it's a very thriving town, super happy people. Everyone you walk past says bulla bulla. You got this little boat coming across that comes across every hour. So you can go from the marina into town every hour. And yeah, it's set up really well. Marina's still being built, but there's some great toilets and showers. And it's a really nice place to hang out.